Hey there, tech lovers! Today, I'm diving deep into something that's hiding in plain sight on almost every computer, Microsoft Office. But not just how to use it, we're uncovering secrets that Microsoft might not be so keen on shouting about. Let's start with the big one. Did you know that there are tons of features in Microsoft Office that most people never use? I'm talking about tools like Workplace Analytics in Excel, which can actually predict trends based on your data, or Researcher in Word that helps you find reliable sources without even leaving your document. And here's a kicker. Microsoft Office isn't just for your laptop or desktop. There's a whole mobile app universe that Microsoft hasn't heavily promoted. This means you can draft that last-minute presentation or correct a spreadsheet from your phone, seamlessly syncing with your other devices. Now, have you ever heard of Microsoft Office scripts? Probably not, right? Well, it lets you automate repetitive tasks across Excel, and it's like having a personal assistant tucked away in your spreadsheet. But why doesn't Microsoft highlight these awesome features more? It's simple. A lot of these tools require a bit of a learning curve, or they push users towards their premium services. And let's be honest, not everyone wants to climb that curve or pay extra. So next time you open up Office, dig a little deeper. Explore the menus, check out the options hidden under More Tools, and maybe you'll find something that'll transform how you work or manage tasks. Remember, the most powerful tools are often hidden, waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, stay curious, and make the most out of the technology at your fingertips. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this peek behind the Microsoft Office curtain, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and secrets from the tech world. See you in the next video.